How to make a blogging website in WordPress for free. So I was able to create this website for totally free using WordPress without paying any money, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. You see that from here you have your menus, and when you click on your blog, you have your blog post right here. Okay, so the first thing that you need is that you need a free hosting and a domain. Let me open one of the blog posts for you to see, and as you can see, it has been published as well. So you need a free hosting and then a domain name. Okay, so I'm having a video link in the video description down below. Just click on it and then watch how to get a free hosting and domain. And after getting the free hosting and then the domain, you have to install the WordPress, which I have done all in that video. Okay, after that, simply come here to where we have the appearance. Okay, from the appearance, simply come here to the themes and then come and click on it. And then from the themes, come and click on add theme. So when you click on add theme, we are going to select among the popular themes the one that is commonly used and it is also good, and that is this one, which is Astra. Okay, simply come here, you will see we have preview. Come and click on it, and then you can install the Astra. Okay, me, I've already activated it, so simply install it. Where we have the activated, you will see install and activate. So after doing it, come and close it, and then simply come here, over here where we have the customize. Okay, come and click on the customize. So when you click on it, you have the option to customize the main Astra layout. Okay, change some things if you want that thing, but I don't want the Astra theme, the Astra layout. Okay, even though I have installed the theme, I don't want the layout, so I'm simply going to click on OK to click to close it, and then I'm going to build a website, a fresh new website, okay, with AI by simply coming to click on let's get started with starter template. So when you click on it, as you can see, it is activating. Okay, even though we have installed the Astra, we are going to build a website without customizing the theme. Okay, so we have two options. We can simply build it using the ZWP, which is faster, and that is the AI tool we can use to build a website. Okay, or we can select from a starter template by simply coming to click on build with template, but I'm going to go with the AI by simply coming to click on build with AI. So when you click on it, over here you have to come and then put in your website name. So I'm going to put in the website name as Guide Guru Tools. After that, you have to come and then select the type. Okay, so the type, I am simply going to select for blogging. Okay, that is, this website is for, that is the type, and then come and make sure that the language is English. After that, come and click on the next. So over here you have to come and then describe your website in few words. You can type the words yourself, or you can simply come and then come and click on write using AI, and the AI is going to base on your name to write something for you. You can read through and then edit it. If you really want what it has done, come and click on the next, and then after clicking on the next, over here you have to provide your contact details. Okay, so the contact, we have the email, you can put it here. After the email too, we have your phone number, you can put it right here. You have your address, you can put it here, and then you have your socials. You can click on the plus and then add any of the socials. It is your contact. Okay, that is why people are going to use, but I'm simply going to click on skip step, and I'm going to go directly to select the images. Okay, so over here you have to select some images. You can browse, you can upload your own image. So when you click on upload your own image, over here you have a maximum of 20 images, and then it has to be these types of images, and then it doesn't have to be more than 5 megabytes. Okay, but I'm simply going to click on search, and I'm going to select my images. So from the selected images, you see that I have my selected images right here. Okay, when you are done, simply come and then click on the next, and when you click on the next thing is to choose the design, that is the website layout. Okay, so you can go through and then select the one that you prefer. So I'm simply going to go through and then pick this one. Okay, so this one is nice. I'm going to simply click on it. So when you click on it, it will be selected. If you have a logo, you can come and then upload the logo here. Beside that one too, you also have the font pair. You can select any of these fonts pair. Okay. Beside that one too, you also have the color palettes. You can come and then choose any of these color palettes. But I prefer the original one which has been selected already. And then you can also preview it in the desktop mode, the tablet mode, and then the mobile mode as well. So when you're okay, simply come and then click on the continue. And then over here, you have to come and then select some of the features. Okay, some are automatically selected for you, like the blog page. Okay, you can see the check mark is already selected. We also have the contact form, it is also checked. But the e-commerce, you have to add it if you prefer it by simply coming to check the box and then the automation as well. Okay. Beside that one too, we also have the page builder. We have all this. Okay. You can simply check the box and then if you like it, it will be added. Okay. Good. And then simply come and then click on start building the website. So to build it over here, you have to come and then create an account with the zipwp, okay, by clicking on create zipwp account. So when you click on it over here, you can create your account for totally free, okay. Using the free plan, you can create your account. And all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have sign up with Google. You can click on it or you can put in your email manually by clicking on sign up with email. But I'm going to go with sign up with Google. Okay, when you click on it over here, scroll down to the bottom and then come here to where it says try free plan. Okay, so when you click on it over here, the ZipWP is going to connect to your website by simply coming to click on start building. Okay, and it's going to design the website based on the preference that you have just selected. Okay, so hooray, we have successfully created our website. Now that you have created the website, all that you have to do is simply come down here. So you have two options to visit your dashboard or to see your website. So let's click on see the website. And then this is our build website for totally free. So we installed the Astra, but we have created our own website without customizing the Astra theme. You get it? Yes, so you can customize this or you can edit it by clicking on edit page, and then you can simply come and then close this. Okay, and then you can change anything. Let's change the image by double clicking on it and then simply come here to the style and click on the style. And when you come here to where we have the image, okay, you can see that we have change image. So when you click on it, you can change the image. Okay, so over here you can upload your own image by clicking on upload file, and then you can also browse from the media library. So I'm going to choose media library and I'm going to select some of the images there. Okay, so when you select it, all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and then click on the select. When you click on the select, it will be selected, and then as you can see, it is here. So you can edit anything on the website, the page, and when you are okay, all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and click on the save, and all your changes will be saved for you. Okay. And then to visit your website, simply come here and then come and click on this. And when you click on it, it will take you to your website. So this is how to build a website in WordPress for totally free.